What's good, Quay? We're in New York trying Stash Burger. This is their Vault Burger.
Bruh.
Oh my god. I got 5 juicy patties with nice crispy edges. This bacon jam. I think it's just caramelized onions and bacon, but bro, that is fire. We need some more of that house sauce. They added pomegranate molasses in here. It's gas, bro. Let's try their loaded Stash chips. I've never had something like this. That is some amazing seasoning on there. The chips themselves are just thin, airy, and crispy. This is the sweet and spicy chicken sando. That chipotle glaze on the chicken with that broccoli slaw makes it so savory. But this is mildly spicy. The OG Stash Burger. Some of their ranch. The ranch got hella dill in it, but I love it. Alright, now I got the regular and spicy Stash dogs. They use brioche bread on everything, and that's a fire move. The other dog had cheese sauce. This one has red pepper relish, some jalapenos, so it gives you that spicy kick. Sheesh, we got all kinds of churros. Chocolate, custard, and caramel filled. I can't do this, I can't do this. Crisp on the outside and the doughiness inside, bro, that is on point.
Let's do an In-N-Out mukbang. Would you like a bite? Flying Dutchmans are always so fire. This is coming apart. Look how beautiful that is, y'all. Last big bite. I totally forgot to add chopped chilies to my order, but still bomb.
What's up, guys? I got some In-N-Out today.
I got this hot chicken. Have a bite. Have another bite. Alright, peace.
In-N-Out's got secret menu items, so I'm here to expose them. We got that classic 4x4 cheeseburger. Y'all know what the drill is. Bro, that is so good. So I got a Flying Dutchman, which is 2 patties and 2 cheeses, and animal fries with chopped chilies. Yo, I'm about to make a secret menu item of my own. And just chop up the patty and you'll be going to Flavor Town. Also, if you like your fries extra crispy, ask for them well done. So on their secret menu, they have a 3x3 and a protein style. So that's why I got a 3x3 protein style. For once in my life, I actually feel healthy. Yo, this is a grilled cheese and it's got everything but a patty, bro. I can't be missing out on meat like that.
It's 1 a.m. No bite. Y'all always want. This bite for me. Huh? Take a bite. It's perfect. Water, more mac, more sauce. Y'all always want to. Double mash. Triple spicy mash with bacon. Just a little bit salt. Loaded fries. Hits the spot every single time. Everything's from Mash Burger in Jersey. Y'all need to check them out and let me know what you think.
Let's eat Cane's. I see a lot of hate comments on Cane's. It's becoming underrated.